Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to print a Zillow listing. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the buy, rent, sell, home loans, and find an agent. In the top right corner, we have the manage rentals, advertise, help, and your profile, and the search box in the middle. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and print a Zillow listing. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So go to the Zillow website and find the listing you want to print. After you went to the website, if you found the one, of course, the listing out of all of those that you of course would like to go and print, then click print button near the top of the listing page. When you click on the print button, a pop-up window will appear. Here you can adjust settings like paper size, orientation, and whether to print photos. So you can choose, of course, not to. Then click the print button in the pop-up window to print the actual listing. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.